You're here early.
Real estate doesn't sleep. Actually, apartment prices are climbing, but villa prices are up by 13%.
That's consistent.
No, that's structural growth. So things have changed a lot now. The Dubai market's matured, so it's not just short-term investors coming here anymore. There's families, business owners, they come in and they want real communities. They want schools, they want parks, they want lifestyle, and they want long-term value.
Of course, which means agents need to know the difference and what the options are between off-plan and secondary. So Ready Properties offers initial inspection of the property, proven rental income, stability in the community that your investment is in, where off-plan is a little different. They have flexible payment plans, and you have an opportunity to have a new apartment, different goals and different tools.
Exactly, and that's why secondary has proven its value. Villas are up by 13% compared to last year, and apartments are up too. Communities like Downtown, Business Bay, Dubai Marina, investors are buying there because they can purchase and then rent out immediately, no waiting for 2 or 3 years.
Exactly, and that's the kind of stability that gives secondary agents a solid foundation, and you've seen that firsthand.
Yes, actually, I've got one client that I've done 7 transactions with. 3 years ago, he sent me a simple rental inquiry, and since then we've done 7 deals. And we're even in talks now about purchasing an off-plan property for himself.
Wow, and that's real dependable income. Once you build your client trust, your network naturally expands, and that gives you something that you can trust to close deals.
Yes, in fact, those relationships will help you close off-plan deals later. Look, it's easy to go into off-plan full-time, but what you should be doing is building relationships with your owners, getting the repeat business, and then off-plan becomes easy.
Absolutely. So secondary is not just a backup plan. It's something that you can build stable and reliable income in through your network and connections. And at Richmond Properties, we set you up for that with real training through the Richmond Academy, marketing support to get your listings seen, portal exposure on Property Finder and Bayut, and an experienced secondary team that works alongside you. You're not figuring it out alone.
So if you want to build a career in secondary, join us today and we'll give you the structure, the training, and the support to help you confidently take over the market.